just like that, this big unit was ready to be installed, once and hopefully for all. We've installed the clutch and the transmission, along with the downpipe. The goal? Install this big sucker all at once.
Shall we give it a crack? The fuck is this? We should have switched the handle around this way, but here's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna drop it a little bit. Just want to shove it in there. Just clog her up.
Can you take this? Or can we do...
What's going on? Oh, that's so close. Oh, she's coming. Oh, she's about to come. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, careful of that hose. It's getting fucked. Oh, yeah. Ah, fucking dog of a cunt. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah, I've got room now. Yeah, it's touching just about. Oh, it's a fucking mess. Oh, you bad girl. Oh. Okay, well, okay. There's more mad ankle. Fuck, she's screaming. Oh god, I can't even fucking... I'm going down.
Any more angle, it's gonna be a fucking rocket ship.
You could probably pull it down on the tip and sit next to it.
I don't know if I'll be able to get that much out of it by pulling it. But...
I don't know, you'd be surprised.
No.
Give it, you never know.
Never know what it will pull. The tips are wet.
Oh, jeez. It's doing it. It's just the sump is being a legend. This intercooler could fuck off. That would give us a few more inches. Come back up. I'm going down a bit.
While we had the engine halfway in, we were looking at plugging some of the wires in from the loom.
You know what, I might just get an auto elect to come around. Push forward a bit. This cunt, isn't it? This cunt is ruining our day. How are we going?
I think we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it, boys. Keep it going. I'll watch front, you watch where you're watching. I'm going.
Just need to push it in.
Slide. Oh, fuck, Jonah. It's in the hole. That felt good.
It's in the hole.
Okay, here we go.
So,
What the fuck? Is that in? That looks like it's fucking in there, man. Brother, that's in, I reckon. That's in, man. Yes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, bingo.
bingo, bango.
Didn't shit myself at all.
Didn't you?
No.
I didn't.
Alright, big tough guy.
Yeah. Oh God. I'm gonna let him know.
I'm gonna come. Imagine slipping off here, it'd be a good time. Here you go. Why has this one been a lunatic? Oh, give your mutt a good old wipe. How does slavery work? Why's that so funny?
I don't know, you just keep doing the same thing. You just keep going dee 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 dee.
Oh, it's oozing. That's alright.
So it's sponsored by Surgetwo, bringing you the best bubble tea.
Fuck off, you idiot.
Boy, was it a tight squeeze. But after some push and shove, we managed to get it in. Moving on, I paid an auto elect to come out and connect all the loom up in the right places. We got most of it hooked up. There was still a few wires with no home, but we'll cross that bridge when it comes time. Now some of these Skylines come with HICAS, or HICAS, I don't know what the fuck it's called. Basically it's rear wheel steering, and I've heard they're just pretty shit, and they're just old technology and they just don't work that well. And as soon as you put coilovers and other things in it, that it kind of just messes it up. So we're going to delete HICAS.
It's annoying because this thing pivots.
Where we're struggling to get this ball joint out, so we had to call in the big guns.
Enemy AC-130, above! Enemy AC-130, above!
What's the tomato?
I don't know what I've been told.
Yeah. You beauty. That's what we're on about.
One more to go.
Well, it's a bit warm.
That part that Will got out somehow. I don't know how he did that.
Another one.
Out comes the last ball joint, and in goes the new joint.
Nice little contraption you got going there, Jonah.
Thanks. I thought, you know what? It's time I bust out a contraption or two.
Yep. Yep, that's on you, Jonah. Yep.
So what we're doing here is making sure the length is the same as the original measurement we took when we had the HICAS installed. So we're going to match that length so the alignment is pretty well similar. This thing will be getting shockworks, suspension, and a fresh alignment anyway in the future. So yeah, should be right. And there we had it. The HICAS steering is now history. Now it's starting to get into a bit of fab work. To begin, I've got to mount this oil filter somewhere on the car. Also, this oil filter on it is the wrong size, but I'm just going to use it as a placeholder until I get the proper one. And remember, I'm still very new to fabricating and welding, so don't expect anything too fancy.
Yeah, get a load of that fresh orange paint. Oh yeah, fuck, that looks so good. Dude, that was a really good decision. I definitely should have painted this. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
My first edition fucking sucked, so I made another one. Much better.
Just finished the mount. I think it's come up pretty good. It's in a good spot. This is the wrong filter, so it doesn't go on, but to give you an idea, it sits just above the sump, so that's good. Nothing will hit it. Yeah, easy access. Just drain the cunt like that. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll just take the bracket off, give it a paint job.
It was all painted, mounted, and now I've got an oil filter that actually fits. I then mounted up the power steering pump. Then we had the tail shaft. Oh, I didn't forget, it was time to torque up the crank bolt, which requires a whopping 470 newton meters of torque. You may have seen it earlier, but I got this big fucking torque wrench just for it. Now the reason we didn't torque this up while we had the engine out is because we just physically wouldn't have been able to do it. So now that it's in the car, instead of the crank free spinning, Jonah can put his foot on the brake and hold the force while I torque it.
Waiting, no run.
So even with Jonah's foot on the brake, it's still slipping. It's that much torque going into it. We were left scratching our heads, wondering what to do. So we lowered the car on the ground to help stop the force from turning the wheels.
Boom, that's it. Yeah, 150 more newton meters.
Oh yeah, that was only 320 newton meters. 150 more to go.
Ready? Damn, son. Oh, holy shit. Oh, nah.
Well, this is the end of the RB26 build, guys. It was nice knowing.
It was a good try, but we're throwing in the towel.
Yeah.
We almost made it.
Enemy AC-130 above.
I don't know what I've been told.
Sometimes you just go to channel, you're in a Willy B. Well, that's that. We're ticking along, closer and closer. There's so many different bits and bobs we gotta go through and do. Just like a statue, mate, just gotta keep chipping away at it. But It's been a good feat this episode. Good progress. Now, without sounding gay, progress equals happiness. So let's keep it going.